Welcome back to the channel. If you're an Honor of Kings player and you've been trying to update your profile picture but can't figure out where the option is, don't worry. In this quick, clear, and up-to-date guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your avatar step by step, including how to use a custom photo if your region supports it. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important details. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Honor of Kings app and log into your account. Once you're on the main lobby screen, look toward the top left corner and tap on your current profile picture. This will take you straight into your personal info page. From here, tap on your avatar once again. Doing this will open the Change Avatar interface, which is where all your customization options are located. Inside this menu, you'll see a few choices. The simplest option is to pick one of the default system avatars. These are the official in-game icons provided by Honor of Kings. But if your region supports it, or if you've unlocked the feature on your device or account, you can also upload your own custom picture. To do that, tap Select from Album. Now choose a photo from your phone, preferably a JPEG or PNG for the best results. Make sure your image fits the recommended size, then adjust the crop if the game asks you to. Once the picture looks good, press Finish or Confirm. Your new avatar should appear instantly. Now, one quick but important tip. Honor of Kings often syncs your avatar with the profile picture from your social login, especially if you use WeChat. So if you want a different in-game picture, here's what you do. Open WeChat, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Authorization Management. Find Honor of Kings and remove its authorization. After that, return to the game, select Play with WeChat Friends, create a fresh profile, and you'll now be able to upload a completely separate avatar that won't match your WeChat photo. And that's it. Feel free to replay this tutorial to get comfortable with each step. Once you follow the process from start to finish, changing your profile picture in Honor of Kings becomes super easy. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.